We all depend on the outlets and switches that surround us, whether at home or at the office. So how do you change them once your technology needs require it? Well, you might hire an electrician, but that involves going through a lengthy process that takes a lot of time, costs a lot of money, and leaves a huge mess. And if you want to keep up with modern receptacles that offer more convenient technology, such as USB chargers, Wi-Fi capabilities, or motion sensors, you'll have to go through that same tedious process over and over again. But what if there was a better way? A way to update your outlets and switches seamlessly? Well, now there is. Introducing Swich Technologies modular outlets and switches. You can choose from a variety of different options, including standard outlets and switches, Wi-Fi enabled devices, dimmers, timers, or a combination of different types. First, install our liner receiver into your wall box, similar to the installation of a standard outlet or switch. Let's say you'd like to add USB functionality to this wall outlet. Let's take a look at how that'd be done with the Swich Technologies liner and USB outlet module.
First, remove the cover plate from the outlet. Then, using a small screwdriver, unlock the module and click it out of place. Click the new module into place, turn the screw to lock it back in, and replace the cover plate over the outlet.
After a couple of months, you realize this dual-port USB charging module just isn't enough. So you want to replace it with a 4-port USB charging module. Let's see how easy that is.
You can see that the installation process is identical for different compatible module types. Once the cover plate is removed, it only takes a few seconds to unlock the module, swap it out for a new one, and lock the new module into place. It really is that easy.
Notice how there was no need to shut off power at the breaker box or mess with wires just to change the module. That's because Swich Technologies liners automatically de-energize at the power source, making it child-proof once a module is removed. So there's no more hardwiring switches and outlets, no more hiring an electrician every time you want to change an outlet. Our patent-pending system provides a platform and building blocks that reacts to the ebb and flow of technological advances.